Hi everyone, my name's Natasha and today we're going to be talking about the Virtue Color Revival Kit. So if you're watching this video, you've probably already ordered it, but if you haven't, you definitely should because I'm obsessed. Alright, so when you receive the package, it looks like this. And what you're going to find inside is going to be a small tub of the Virtue Restorative Mask. You're going to find a small vial of the Virtue Color Kick. This is what's going to be taking your treatment to the next level. It's 100% natural human keratin, and it's what's going to be added into the restorative mask. So you're literally doing an extremely professional product and deep conditioning treatment at home, which is amazing. Next, you're going to see a step-by-step instructional sheet of how to mix the components together, as well as how to apply it to your hair and how long to leave it on for. So I'm going to be walking you guys through these steps, so it's going to be really easy for you to do it at home. Last but not least, you're going to be receiving a sample size of the Virtue Recovery shampoo and conditioner, and you're going to be using the shampoo during this process. So just follow along and let us know what you think. Alrighty, so I have just washed my hair with the Virtue Recovery shampoo, and so now it is time to put the restorative mask with the color kick onto my hair. The easiest way to apply a hair mask at home is to thoroughly brush through it after you've washed it, and then to split your hair, part it wherever it wants to go, and then you're going to split your hair just down the middle and the back as if you're going to wear pigtails. So this is going to help you to distribute the product evenly and also start at the ends of your hair instead of just having it be in one ratted kind of ponytail in the back and not be able to distribute the product properly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Virtue mask here and I'm going to use my finger and I'm going to do a generous dollop. I'm going to put it in my palm and just rub my hands together and start raking it through my ends and working it up. So you can see that I still have some product on my palm here, so I'm going to rub my hands together and I'm going to keep doing that until the product is all distributed throughout my hair. So I'm going to work it up. I'm going to stay slightly off the root just because I do have finer hair, so I don't want it to feel flat. The great thing about this mask is it's extremely hydrating and it really helps to keep my hair detangled throughout the day whenever I do a mask like this. And so I'm just going to rake through. And with this mask specifically, you do want to use the entire container, so it is for a one-time use, just because once the color kick is mixed in to the mask, it will no longer be active after 24 hours. So again, I'm doing the same thing, putting a little bit into my palm, rubbing my hands together, and then I'm just going to rake. All the way up. For those of you who are blonde, it's going to be really great to get those little baby hairs into the mix as well, just to really strengthen those, because remember, this is a restorative mask. This is going to be really healing and help to rebuild those fragile hairs. Rebuild and re-strengthen. So we're going to rake, and then I'm going to grab the last bigger dollop here. I'm going to again put it in the palm of my hand. I'm going to move my hair into the back now. And now I'm going to take the dollop, rub my hands together, and I'm going to just put it all throughout my hair now, really making sure it's thickly coated, raking it through the top. And what I like to do, just to keep it out of the way, because you are going to be leaving it on for 8 to 10 minutes is what they recommend, I like to wrap my hair up into just a little bun Typically it will stay if your hair is long enough, so you could just let it stay, or you could just place a hair tie over the top. And this just really keeps it out of the way so you're actually able to do other activities. Alrighty, so that is how you apply the Virtue Mask Plus Color Kick. Once you're done letting it process, make sure that you rinse it out thoroughly after 8 to 10 minutes, like I said, and then after that you can just enjoy your really nice silky hair. Please let us know if you have any questions. We're here to help you and guide you. But yeah, let us know. I hope you enjoyed this video.